Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show go to top button for Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Next, open up the Samsung Internet app. Then tap on the menu key at the bottom, and then we're going to tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on web page view and scrolling. And at the top here, tap on show go to top button. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. And that's it. Once it is turned on, there should be a button where you can tap to go back to the top. So if we go down near the bottom, there should be a button somewhere in here that allow you to tap on it to take you back to the top. So I'm just going to turn on airplane mode and then just going to refresh the page. And you can see here, if I try to scroll down, there is a button I can tap on that, and that will allow me to quickly go back to the top. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.